Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Bitcoin dismisses on-point CPI print as daily BTC price losses pass 3%. Next, Charles Hoskinson claps back at epic FUD attacks against Cardano. Also, altcoin market resilience signals potential regime change, says Analysts. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: Bitcoin dismisses on-point CPI print as daily BTC price losses pass 3%. BTC price weakness continues, taking BTC to USD below $56,000 despite the smallest year-on-year CPI increase since February 2021. Bitcoin extended losses at the September 11th Wall Street Open as positive United States macro data failed to lift crypto markets. Bitcoin gives up $56,000 as CPI soothes inflation fears. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView followed BTC price action as a U.S. sell-off took daily losses past 3%. Now under $56,000, BTC to USD shrugged off the August print of the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, which showed inflation slowing in line with expectations. This came in at 0.2% month-on-month and 2.5% year-on-year, data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics confirmed. The All Items Index rose 2.5% for the 12 months ending August, the smallest 12-month increase since February 2021, an accompanying press release stated. CME Group's FedWatch tool reflected changing market bets on how the Federal Reserve would reduce interest rates at its September 18th meeting. Odds of a smaller 0.25% rate cut stood at 85% at the time of writing, while the day prior the figure was 66%. Despite this, Bitcoin traders appeared in no mood to celebrate what would be the first U.S. rate cut since 2020. Popular trader Roman confirmed that he was waiting for a retest of $55,000, while social media commentators also noted liquidity building near $54,000. Data from monitoring resource CoinGlass additionally showed asks increasing at $57,000 and above. Only longer timeframes offered cause for optimism. Fellow trader Titan of Crypto, uploading Ichimoku cloud data to X, showed the weekly chart for BTC to USD still holding support. BTC price action signals risk-averse environment. In its latest weekly report sent to Cointelegraph, meanwhile, on-chain analytics platform CryptoQuant warned that Bitcoin had abandoned its correction to gold. BTC price action contrasted significantly with AUX to USD in August, as the latter set a new all-time high in dollar terms. Bitcoin is decoupled from gold. Bitcoin prices have declined at the same time gold prices have reached a fresh record high, causing correlation between them to turn negative, it wrote. A period of negative correlation between Bitcoin and gold, with gold increasing and Bitcoin decreasing, typically signals a risk-averse environment where investors favor traditional safe haven assets like gold. In turn, Bitcoin has followed the stock market to the downside. CryptoQuant additionally flagged dollar strength decreasing in step with Bitcoin, an uncommon state of affairs. Both a weakening dollar and declining Bitcoin could signal broader risk aversion or financial stress, even though the dollar is losing strength against other major currencies, it argued. This might happen in periods when global markets are facing uncertainty, leading investors to flee from riskier assets like Bitcoin, while also moving away from the US dollar. Let me pause here for a moment If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Charles Hoskinson claps back at epic FUD attacks against Cardano. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has clapped back at critics spreading false information about Cardano. Hoskinson was responding to the DCA Live Bottom is In discussion by crypto analyst Marty Party, which poked holes in ADA's huge market cap despite price inaction. ADA is the 11th largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $12.4 billion. The discussion alluded to locked staking being behind this growth. It also claimed that Cardano lacked an uptick in activity, which could unravel the price in the future. They can't sell. They are locked into staking. They cannot unstake. That was the trick earlier on, especially Cardano, the discussion claimed. They further opined that ADA prices could drop in the coming months because of this. Hoskinson has since fired back at the criticism, refuting claims that there are any ADA tokens in locked staking. The lies and misinformation about Cardano have reached epic levels. Stake isn't locked, but they still lie. Why does anyone trust these people anymore? Hoskinson said. Data from Cardano Scan shows that 22.81 billion ADA tokens are currently staked, representing more than half of the supply. However, these tokens are held in liquid, non-custodial staking, meaning investors can withdraw their tokens at will. ADA bullish pattern emerges. ADA was trading at 0.346 cents at the time of writing after a 0.65% surge in 24 hours after succumbing to the bearish sentiment across the broader market. ADA is currently making a bullish pattern on the one-day chart that could show the price entering a massive rally. The altcoin has made a double bottom pattern that indicates the end of a downtrend and the possibility of an upcoming uptrend. This pattern emerged on the one-day chart. If the price breaks the crucial resistance at 39 cents, the next target will be 45 cents, a 33% jump from the current price. The relative strength index is currently at 46, a near neutral level. Moreover, on September 7th, when the RSI crossed above the signal line, it created a buy signal and an influx of buying activity in the market. The Awesome Oscillator also flashes green, showing that bullish momentum could build up. However, the AO bars have yet to flip to the positive region, with such a shift set to confirm a bullish breakout. If the bullish thesis fails, traders should watch out for a possible liquidity sweep below 30 cents before the uptrend resumes. Our next top headline, Altcoin market resilience signals potential regime change, says Analysts. Crypto investors might be shifting their mindset and may not always turn to Bitcoin as a haven during market uncertainty, Bitfinex analyst suggests. Altcoins have remained fairly strong despite Bitcoin's recent downturn, suggesting investors might be adjusting how they safeguard their capital during market uncertainty, analysts say. The shift hints at a potential regime change where investors are exploring value in altcoins, diverging from the typical pattern of flocking to Bitcoin during downturns, analysts from crypto exchange Bitfinex said in a September 9th report. Altcoin markets have shown resilience, it added. The analyst cited Bitcoin's recent price decline, which fell to as low as $52,827 on September 7th, a 10.8% drop compared to 7 days prior, according to CoinMarketCap data. Bitcoin has since slightly recovered to $57,001, though it remains below the crucial $60,000 level, which it hasn't reached since August 30th. They pointed out that amid Bitcoin's price decline, Bitcoin's dominance, measuring its share of the crypto market, decreased by 1.3%. However, the market cap of all cryptocurrencies outside the top 10 increased by 4.4%. At the time of publication, Bitcoin's dominance is 57 0.33%, down 0.5% over the past week, according to TradingView data. It's not far off 60%, a level that Benjamin Cohen, founder of Into the Cryptoverse, sees as the final move for Bitcoin dominance. Traders often look for signs that Bitcoin dominance is peaking as a signal to sell Bitcoin and shift capital into alternative assets such as altcoins. Meanwhile, the total altcoin open interest, or OI, which represents the total number of contracts that have not been offset or fulfilled by delivery, has dropped 55% from its all-time high, which Bitfinex's analysts claim signals speculative apathy and potential exhaustion among sellers. Several traders agreed that fewer speculative bets on altcoins suggest the market is getting stronger. The strength altcoins have shown in the latest correction and the bounce with relative low open interest pump is signs of sustained strength, pseudonymous crypto trader Emperor wrote in a September 10th X post. Very likely that selection altcoins continue to outperform Bitcoin both towards downside and upside moving forward. The parabolic altcoin phase of the cycle is close, very close, Emperor added. Meanwhile, 360 Trader opined that the altcoin market cap is looking very bullish. MN Trading founder Michael Vandepop believes it is a buying opportunity for altcoins. The boring state is the period of accumulation before a new push happens. That's the current state of the altcoin markets, Vandepop wrote on September 10th. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.